ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಟಾಟಾ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ TCS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್?
I am the wife, my lord, the second wife. I'm not the husband.
You are the one who has instituted DV proceedings
Against my husband.
against your husband. You are yourself getting 1 lakh. Why do you want that money also?
No, my lord.
The petitioner is the first wife.
Trust.
First wife.
Huh?
Petitioner is the first wife.
First wife.
Yes.
Ayyo.
Second petitioner who is the second wife claims to, as claimed by
There
her.
are many petitioners.
She the respondent, she claims petition under the Domestic Violence
Allah,
Act.
first petitioner, first wife.
Yes.
Second petitioner, second wife. Third
No,
petitioner,
second, first respondent.
third petitioner,
Other petitioner, children.
children. Sir, ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು. Yes.
Sorry.
ಹೇಳಿ.
Second, first respondent is the second wife.
Hmm.
And she says second, respond her son.
Offense is bigamy.
Bigamy illa.
ಮತ್ತೆ
Domestic violence ಅಲ್ಲಿ she claimed 40,000 out of 40,000 from the husband.
ಯಾರು?
But I
If
initiate.
entire amount
Who
is given,
claimed? First second
she is second wife.
Who claimed 30,000?
Second wife,
Second wife claimed.
yes.
Ah.
If entire amount is given to her,
Hmm.
I and my children will be starving. So I
What will you give to the first wife ಅಂತನಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಶೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
Domestic violence proceedings, my lord. She files
That's
an
all what I
application
want.
To implead herself. She files an application to implead herself.
ಯಾರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೈಫ್?
First wife. It is rejected.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ
ಹ್ಮ್.
if he wants entire amount towards maintenance, financial assistance.
Why do you worry? Your husband will take care of you also.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇರೋದು 40,000. And he doesn't inform me that she is his wife, and he doesn't inform that she has filed a case. Before the court, he admits.
How did you come to know then? How did you come to know?
When he was about to leave the court, saying that I am in a hurry to go to court, then I asked, what is this?
Oh.
Then in the night, he told me that she is the lady who filed a case against me. Then I came to know these are the facts on inquiry. My only grievance is, let her take money, but let us not starve, we three.
ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
They're not, my lord, they're not.
ಏನ್ you are working, is it?
He is working in her, I am a housewife. She is.
No, what is the husband?
Yes, third, he is a Tata consultancy, he is working, and first respondent is a colleague in the office. She gets 1 lakh.
Oh.
Let them initiate separate proceedings, my lord. Not a necessary party. in
ಅಲ್ಲ
my
ಎಲ್ಲ
DV
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Till I filed my assets and.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
I don't know, her petition may can't be.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್.
Her petition.
ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ then he'll go for the third petitioner. Wait.
Page 46 of the petition. Page 46.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Bartila.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಟಾಟಾ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ TCS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್?
I am the wife, my lord, the second wife. I'm not the husband.
You are the one who has instituted DV proceedings
Against my husband.
against your husband. You are yourself getting 1 lakh. Why do you want that money also?
No, my lord, I'm not getting.
To reduce everything here.
Please.
What are you working as?
Plus, I'm also working in Tata Consulting
ಏನಾಗಿ?
as manager.
ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್. ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Even otherwise, my lord, they are not necessary party for my.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, HR ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಆರ್ HR ಹೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಅದು 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ. TCS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
But they are not necessary party for this.
ಅದ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ.
violent proceedings.
ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, further proceedings stay ಆದ್ರೆ then matter may be heard.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ 30,000? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಿ. ಎಸ್,
But they are not necessary parties. for
ಅದು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ
proceedings.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್. ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್?
My lord, they
ಅಲ್ಲ.
claim, my lord, they claim.
ಅರೆ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
He's-
I have married in 2009. They claim that they are married in 2006.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್. ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಅಲಿಜೆಡ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಆಫೀಸ್
Colleague.
ಕಲೀಗ್. ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ವೆದರ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿನ ಏನೋ ಅಂತ.
Not the necessary parties, my lord. In fact, not the husband has admitted the
ಏನಂತ?
marriage. Husband has admitted the marriage between the respondent number 1 and the husband.
ಅದೇ ಟೂ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜಸ್ ಹಿ ಹಸ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್. ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಫಾರ್ ಬೈಗಮಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೌ. ಏನ್ ನೀವು, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್?
But I appear for respondent number 1 and 2. my lord.
Correct, sir. What's your name?
Like Manjula Bibi, my lord, and Sanat.
What's the husband's name?
Sheetal Kumar, third respondent.
ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಬೈಗಮಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 494.
My lord, she says she has married in Tirupati.
ತಿರುಪತಿ.
Tirupati.
ನೀವು?
Allah, in Belgaum, I produce photos,
Ah.
but she doesn't produce Tirupati photos. She doesn't produce.
ತಿರುಪತಿ
married in-
ಫೋಟೋ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Allah, Tirupati dalla, marriage report.
ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ತಿರುಪತಿ. ಹಾ ಸರಿ.
And she claimed, my husband says he was taken by force for a registration of a document. Then these documents have been
Anyway,
created.
you produce whatever you want.
No interim order passed, my lord, so the maintenance as well.
ಈಗ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನ.
ಮಾಡಿ.
ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಏನೇ ಇರೋದು.
ಸರಿ, we produce a A&L here. The learned counsel for the respondent to place on record the assets and liabilities statement as obtaining today is list the matter on 14th.
In the meanwhile, further proceeding is stayed. in the
ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ,
court
ಇನ್ನು
will-
ಏನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
No, ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಪಡಕ್ ನಡೀಲಿ. ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಗ್ರೀವ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅದನ್ನಲ್ಲ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನ್ನ ರೆಮಿಡಿನೇ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು when you are before the court, don't worry.
ಮಚ್ಚ.
Yes. I will not let husband shoot from your shoulder. Yes.
46.
Kindly date may be given, my lord.
14th ಕೊಟ್ನಲ್ಲ. Yes.
You didn't hear.